Hello boys and girls, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna make these beautiful Christmas wreath gift tag. For this you will just need a piece of cardstock, a pre-made bow, or you can make it with the ribbon. Then I have a circle punch and I have cut out some glitter cardstock in this size. This is a 5/8 inch. This is less than 1 inch. Okay, you can use any size, and then I have cut out around 13 to 14 pieces of this, and then we will just start to build. You'll also need some hole punch to make a hole in the tag, scissors, and some twine for putting in the tag. Also, we will need some red sequins to make the berries. Okay, now let's start to build. For this, we are just gonna put around these small circles in a circular shape. You can either make a circle first with the compass, and then along the line you can settle these pieces so that you have a perfect shape. I am just going to do it like that only. I'm layering these one on top of each other, covering them little, like only like half, and we'll try to make a circular shape to give it a complete and beautiful wreath look. After this, I am just going to put my bow. And then let's just cut off the triangular thing to make it look like a tag. Then I'm just keeping it on the side for the reference so that both the sides are equal. Now let's punch a hole in the center. After this, I am just tying a twine in here. Just fold a thread into two pieces, fold it in half, and then insert one edge through this hole here. Bring it like this, and then take these two ends of the threads inside the loop, and there we have a knot. Now let this bow settle down. In the meanwhile, I'm just going to put sequins. So now, to give it a more natural look, I'm just going to put here and there some dots. And then just put some sequins. There we go. So our wreath is ready. That's it, we are done. You can write your message at the back, and then your tag is ready. I hope you guys had fun making this, and if you do subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials coming up soon on my channel. Till then, just keep crafting with DIY Crafts with Priyanka, and see you next time. Merry Christmas and happy crafting. Bye.